beautiful unicorns, and welcome back to my channel and this third episode of Let's Go All In with Color. And this is purple, obviously, because I'm very purple. I did create this look for you and you voted last time for purple, and so it is purple. I am doing this series to be like monochromatic with the color, and I could do a purple lip, but I really wanted to try the new lippy by Ofra. This could totally go with a purple lip, let's be honest, but this could be a fun night out. I'd have a really fun night out. It'll look like this, and yeah, I'm very excited to show you this. Also because I digged up one of my old palettes, the Makeup Addiction Flaming Love palette. I used this purple here. Love this palette, love this company, and I'm very excited to be showing you another look with an old palette. It's almost like a throwback palette thing as well. I will let you, as before, vote for what color you would like me to do next time. I will put the vote up here, and you can cast your vote on what color you would like me to do with this Let's Go All In with Color. It is basically me just digging into a color, picking out some of my favorite items within that color, and just creating a look, like an eye look at least, all about that color. So I'm gonna leave the colors that was like last time and just take away the purples. It's probably just gonna be 4 suggestions, and I'll probably add in some more later on, but we still have a bunch of colors to go, so yeah, let's get into this look. Okay, let's get some purple on these eyes. I am gonna start out with this one, which is Unexpected by Makeup Geek. I've told you several times that I like starting out with that shadow when I'm doing purple looks, but I've never showed you. So now I'm gonna show you. Just using this as a transition shadow, making this my first shadow in the crease. Next shadow I'm gonna go in with is actually a single by Coastal Scents, and this is Deep Grape. And as you can see, this is a very vibrant purple and all about that life. My lid shade is actually going to be from the Flaming Love palette by Makeup Addiction Cosmetics, and I'm going to use this very vibrant purple that's here. I'm going to spray it a bit, and I'm going to put it all over my lid, and I'm also going to blend it a bit into my crease. I really love this color. Also, and get rid of this, the fallout, and this is the eye once it is done. Just gonna do the same on the other eye. So this is what it's looking like right now. I'm gonna use some of the Linda Hallberg Crayon in Daring Mood on my waterline and also under my eyes, and then I'm gonna pack some of this purple color on top of that as well. This part doesn't have to be perfect because I'm gonna pack on some colors straight away, so don't be worried too much about the pencil part. To be fair, I probably could have done this on top as well to make this even more pigmented. But, you know, you live, you learn. I'm gonna use some glitter as well because glitter is fun. This is JD Glow liquid glitter tube in Bubble Yum, and it's just in like an applicator like this, so I can just draw on some glitters. I'm just gonna put them basically all over my lid. So that's the look right now. I'm gonna put some liner and some lashes on and I'll be right back. Okay, lashes are on. I was so close to like start speaking Swedish. That was so weird. I like lost myself. This isn't the most blended look I've ever had, but you know what? Purple is hard and this is fine. You know? It's fine. It doesn't have to be 1000% blended. You're fine. It's okay. It's fun. It's purple. I like it. I'm gonna use a highlighter in my inner corners. I love doing that when doing colorful looks. I'm gonna use this one. I'm pretty sure it's called Nirvana. Yeah, it's called Nirvana. It's by Divina and it is a purple duochrome highlight. So I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna use it on the pencil brush and I'm gonna spray it and I'm gonna put it in my inner corners. That is fun. I am digging that. I actually don't have any face highlight on yet because I want to use this one. This is the Ofra highlighter in Pillow Talk, which is the new one, the one with the pinky sheen. It looks a lot like glazed donut, but with like a baby pink undertone. I want Ofra to come out with even more like pinky peachy highlighters, but that aren't as frosty as this one. I would love to see that. Can we make that happen, Ofra? I'd be so amazed. I wanted to buy this one and then I was very lucky to receive it in PR and I'm still amazed that things like that happen to me and I haven't used this yet, so let's go ham. Okay. This is very similar to glazed donut, I have to say. It is beautiful, but I want to have something even more pink. I hope they come out with any, like, something in the future that's even more pink. I would love to see that. But that is, I mean, no one can deny that that is some glow, but that is very frosty on me. Very frosty on me. I'm just gonna take a brush and see if I can blend that into it so it's not too frosty. Really glowy though. I also got a new lippy with that PR package and this is Unzipped, which is the new color for Valentine's. It was with this collection. So I thought this like purpley mauvey pink could be a good addition to this look. Love the smell of the Ofra liquid lipsticks. They're like a buttery toffee. Yum. Ooh. That's nice. I probably could have used a lip liner, but yeah, I couldn't really be bothered. But that is the finished look. Let me go out a little bit. So that is how the look is looking. Looking in the monitor, it's very dramatic. I'm loving the purple. It is not 100% blended. I've definitely done more blended looks than this one, but I'm loving the very bright purple with the like starry night glitter and then the bright like lavender inner corner. I think that's really pretty. I am happy with the look and I'm very excited to be doing another one in this series. Sorry it's been taking me forever. Don't forget to take the poll up here on what color you'd like to see next. I'm just keeping the colors I had from last time and I'll just add in a new color next time. But yeah, why is there fluff everywhere? That was it for this look. Do let me know what you think about this look and this series, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love to see you subscribe. The button is down below. I do upload quite a lot of videos and I would love to see you in my next one. Bye!